I'm all here. I will try to be careful not to get in. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the pour, the 3-ring pour. So I will start with the white, and I'm filling my cup just like that. And my main color will be this bright yellow. Love it. It's really nice. But I will add a little bit green on top of it. You know, I think the yellow and green, they create really cool colors. So here we go. I'm adding a little bit black just to make sure we have a depth to the painting. And then I'm going again with a little bit yellow on top. No, you know, being a blondie, I can do whatever I want. So I'm adding some green instead. Here we go, a little bit green, and then yellow. This is a warm yellow. Normally, you will not really see this on lemons, but actually, if you will look close, you will find some lemons which have that really warm color on it. And I'm adding more of this cool yellow. Okay, now to begin with, normally I usually put everything straight on top, but today I will try to do it a little bit different way. I will start with yellow and I will pour everything else on top of it. Why I'm doing this? Because I noticed that when you pour on top of the already liquid, so it actually looks nicer and the pour looks more got together, and I'm not losing the precious colors. Yeah, you can see my table is not as straight as I wish it would be, but the colors are still amazing. Look how gorgeous they are. And they look a little bit like a lemon, right? I hope you can see that. It's amazing. And you see how important to have the black? If I wouldn't have a black right now, I will just have color unrecognizable color, because it will not have a depth, so all the colors would get together and create something maybe even cool, but it would be not a round thing. But we want to keep going rounds and rounds and rounds and rounds, just like this. You remember the old kids saying, going round and round and round. Here we go. That's enough. Put your hand when you take the cup out, because then you are avoiding the spills. Now I'm trying to spread this nicely. My lemon-inspired painting. Isn't it cool? Look at that. Ha! And again, if you see that there is not enough paint on the canvas, add more paint, whatever color you think would be right. And by doing this, you create more depth and more cool effect. Surely this time I decided to go all the way to the sides, the side. And the last, oh, actually I missed big part of it, so I would have to go back. Yep. Okay, now that's the last part I need to go and cover. Look how beautiful the black against the yellow. Definitely can see the lemon part of it. Slowly moving. can't really see what's going on there. I have a feeling I'm losing some of my precious lemon, but on the other hand, look, I created two. Instead of one lemon, now I have white lemon and the orange lemon. I got both. Pretty cool. I actually like my painting. I think it's a really nice combination. So I'm just moving it a little bit from this side to this side, and I am loving it. I hope you do too. So guys, if you're out of inspiration, if you don't know what to do, get to backyard, go to the park, check out what you have, get inspired, and